केंद्रीय वित्त मंत्री निर्मला सीतारमण ने कहा, किसान एफपीओ उन एफपीओ की महिलाएं और अधिक महिलाओं को शामिल करना कोई छोटी बात नहीं है। ये जरूरी सुधार है ताकि भारत बेहतर बीमा और पेंशन प्रणाली के साथ व्यापक सामाजिक सुरक्षा कवरेज प्रदान कर सके। इन सभी कदमों का उद्देश्य जागरूकता बढ़ाना, संस्थागत भागीदारी को प्रोत्साहित करना, पीएफआरडीए को प्रमोशन और नियमन दोनों की बजाय मुख्य रूप से नियामक के रूप में कार्य करने में सक्षम बनाना है।
Insured, lot more pensioned, and therefore this social security cover. I think all these and more is required to spread the word, and more institutions participate, more PFRDA looks at it as more as a regulator rather than be performing both promotion and regulation. I think they've done that, distancing themselves a bit. So it is nice to see that we are looking at various different ways through which we are promoting pensions. So, as India moves with a purpose towards Viksit Bharat 2047, I think every citizen can now hope to have financial dignity in old age. I find this argument justifying pension a bit retrograde when we say, what happens if our children don't take care of ourselves? No, I don't think that should be the route. Your children can take care of yourselves, but still you need to have that financial independence and to have that dignity that you also have your own resource through which you're planning your retirement. And therefore, it doesn't have to be when children are bearing with you or putting up with you or taking care of you or not. I think pension is important for old age. And there should be very many options. And today, the options that we saw has really made me feel this sector is now getting a full-fledged robustness, which is so much desperately needed for a country like India, because being jaded or being, a bit more like what it was earlier doesn't help anymore. Every sector has to be a lot more creative and imaginative about which they can go about. And I think in that, the pension sector has now crossed the threshold, and I think this augurs well for this sector.